Welcome back. This is, I think, part 4 of a series of videos about metal clay. So we've just torch fired these. They have dried just with the air. I didn't quench them in water. I let them dry, and now you can see they don't really look like silver at all. They're very white. So this is where we get our wire brush, and we give it a little brush, and you'll start to see the silver coming out. So we have to do this on all the pieces. And as you can see, you see the silver coming out. So the disc now looks like this. It's been polished with the wire brush front and back and around the sides. What I'd like to do now is, using my Dremel, I just want to make these holes a little bit bigger. So now I want to drill the holes just to make them a little bit bigger. The jump rings I'm using are 0.8. So I have put a 0.8 drill bit into my Dremel. It will get a little bit noisy now. I've put a little bit of burr life on the end of the drill bit. I like to do this front and back as well, just to get off any burrs, make it nice and smooth. There we go. So I know the holes are going to take the jump ring now, so what I'm going to do is do the rest of these discs and then we'll pop it in the tumbler. So I've just taken these out of the tumbler, and as you can see, they are so shiny. I'm really pleased with the result, and it's amazing to think just yesterday this was a lump of clay. So it's an amazing product and something that I'm really liking learning about. I am a newbie with silver metal clay, and I'm also new to YouTube. So if you like learning how to make jewellery, or you want a new hobby, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.